Are you struggling to find the ideal solution for your factory building? Navigating the complexities of factory shed construction can feel overwhelming. From design to compliance and everything in between, it's easy to get lost in the details. Introducing our comprehensive factory shed construction service, a solution tailored to transform your vision into reality. We specialize in creating customized, durable, and efficient factory sheds that cater specifically to your operational needs. With our team of experts guiding you through every step, you can expect a seamless experience, from planning and design to construction and final inspection. Our high-quality materials and innovative construction techniques ensure that your factory shed is built to last, providing you with a reliable space for years to come. Plus, our attention to detail guarantees that every aspect meets industry standards, giving you peace of mind as you focus on growing your business. Contact us today to get free consultation. To know more details, visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.